Namaskar. My deep gratitude for the Honorable Supreme Court, which agreed to hear this PIL within a day of filing it in the court. And finally, of course, deep gratitude for staying the case just a short while back. So it really a proud moment for all of us in the team who filed this case. My deep gratitude always for one of the few activist lawyers on the Hindu side, Vishnu Shankar Jain, of course with the blessings of his father Hari Shankar ji. Absolutely an honor to be working with him, closely working with Vishnu Bhai and his team, and deep gratitude for him and his team. Thank you. These UGC guidelines are more focused on empowering the OBC categories and not so much the SC/ST categories, which of course have the Prevention of Atrocities Act already, which is far more powerful, perhaps even draconian, to fight discrimination issues, perpetrated discrimination issues against them. But now the OBCs were being drawn into this battle as well with these guidelines, and clearly the idea seems to be simply to pitch every Hindu jati, every Hindu caste, if you like to use that term, against the Savarnas, the upper castes. It's basically designed to cause friction between the Hindu society, and perhaps even hand some weapons to the Muslims who are classified as OBC. I've been hearing statements of Indira Jaising with making a lot of assertions. For example, in one video with a media company, she says, "Savarn to hamare sar pe baithe hain." I really appeal to her to ask her to share with us data based on which she's making these assertions. It's very easy for us to make one assertion or another, but please back it with data. The government of India does not even document the oppressor in under the POA Act. You document who the oppressed is, which jati does the oppressed come from, which caste does the oppressed come from, but who is the oppressor is not even documented. The religion or the caste is not documented. Unless this is documented, what is the basis of making such assertions? This has to be clarified, and that is one of the battles we have to fight and win. Finally, our goal has to be nothing short, as my colleague in my foundation, Saryu Foundation, Sufia Pathan says, Dr. Sufia Pathan, she says that our goal should be nothing short of reviewing the use of the term caste in our constitution. That is our final goal of this battle. We hope to fight it, and we hope that the Hindu society understands why legal battles are extremely important, which is why I'm after creating a 25 crore corpus to start with for the Hindu fund, so that we can actually fund these battles for lawyers like Vishnu Shankar Jain and many others. Everybody cannot work on seva alone. They have to feed their families, they have to run their law firms, and so on and so forth. And very few among them, like Vishnu Shankar Jain, come forward, sacrifice many other things to fight dharmic battles. But this is not sustainable. The Hindu society has to come forward and fund strategic cases and not think in events. Aaj ye event hua, to uske liye paise de denge. You have to think about long-term battles. And so my appeal has always been about taking a percentage of your monthly income and donating to organizations like the Hindu Fund, or if you choose a certain organization which appeals to you, donate. But please put a percentage of your donation aside. This tokenism that we engage with, so much money at an event, then we give it with rays of emotions. That is not how things work. You have to have sustained sustained ability to give money for strategic reasons. You have to think strategically. All of us in the Hindu society. Namaskar. Pranam. Jai Shri Ram.